Pa the spaceman. Jeff's out playing pickleball right now, so I've decided to make a video for him. Today, I'm going to make an image that I'm going to use to make bulk greeting cards to sell on the side. Jeff doesn't pay well, so I need a side hustle. Anyway, let's get started. I'll open a new project and select a template for greeting cards. Then, I'll click on the rectangle tool and drag a new rectangle completely covering the canvas. Let's color that a nice shade of bright green. Next, I'll start spray painting it with different colors. I'll select the paintbrush tool and then select my brush style. I'm going to go with Magic Stippler style in the sprays and splatters categories. Next, I'll cover my canvas with color. I'll start with red and work my way around the color wheel using the brightest colors. This may take a moment, so bear with me. Okay, that looks nice. Now, I'm going to group the rectangle and spray paint layers. I'm going to open a new pixel layer and then I'll select the artistic text tool and write the words work of art in all capitals. I'm going to use a nice fat font like this one. Now, I'm going to size the font so it fits nicely and place it just below the center of the canvas. Now, right-click on the text layer and select Mask to Below. Isn't that cool? The image is now inside the text. To make this text pop out a bit, I'm going to select it and then apply a bit of 3D magic from Affinity. I'll play with that a little. Okay, we're almost done here. I'm going to select the Artistic Text tool once again. Place it above the colourful text and I'm going to write URA in a nice script font. There, we're done. I can now use this to order bulk greeting cards to sell. I'm going to be rich. Woohoo! Have a nice day. Don't tell Jeff I did this, okay? Bye.